V Slovenijo prihaja težko pričakovani tablični mobilnik Samsung Galaxy Tab, ki smo ga že imeli priložnost preizkusiti. Z Martinom Wallnerjem, direktorjem telekomunikacij pri Samsungu Electronics Austria, pod katerim okrilje sodi tudi Slovenija, smo spregovorili nekaj besed o neuspehu tabličnih računalnikov v preteklosti in zakaj je prepričan, da bo z njihovim izdelkom tokrat drugače. Po čem se torej Galaxy Tab razlikuje od konkurence?
On the first view, if you compare with our product from Apple, the biggest difference is the size, obviously. But as I said, 10-inch tablet was the concept was made for the living room. 7-inch or our product was definitely made for on the move. So put it in your pocket, put it in your suit, and use it wherever you want to use it. On the move, in your, I don't know, in the airplane, in your holiday, wherever you go. The second thing is, of course, this is Android-based, Google. And I think we are launching now the first real competitive one. And last but not least, there are a lot of other things like 2 cameras. It has a SIM card slot. It supports flash. It's also a telephone. Our competition will come with 7, 10, bigger, smaller, and we are also planning to enlarge our portfolio for next year.
So who, in your opinion, would be the typical Galaxy Tab user?
Of course, we did some surveys on that, but it's not easy to say. It's because you can use it really from. We have this daytime experience. Yeah, when you let me say wake up in the morning, yeah, you can starting reading your news or what happened, and over email, Facebook. So you can use it throughout the day. Then you can use it in the office, you can use it in your car, you can use it as a modem, you can enjoy videos, music, whatever you want to do. So it gives a lot of freedom for our customers to choose whatever they want to do.
Zakaj torej niso uspeli tablični računalniki preteklosti?
Of course, the development moved on a lot. So in terms of hardware, in terms of screens and battery consumption and all these kind of things, but especially also the software. And finally, this is the most important thing.
In kaj lahko pričakujemo v prihodnje?
I think in general, touch will be one of the major form factors, but I can guarantee you that everything what you know today, yeah, the display technology will significantly change. So I cannot tell you when, but I saw in our labs in Korea also already very smart things, yeah? Foldable displays, rollable displays, and this will definitely bring up new form factors.
Oblika pa je, kot vemo, tista, na podlagi katere se za nakup odloča največje število uporabnikov.